getting ready for a short, powerful 4 to 5 minute express meditation. I'll gently guide you to embody your own deity, invoking deep emotional and spiritual resonance with your deity, your God, your Lord, your goddess, your mentor. It's completely crafted to be very sensitive, very devotional, and very transformational. Okay? So sit upright, spine upright, shoulders tucked back of the head, in line with the spine. Turn off any other distractions and notifications. As I welcome you now for this express meditation, again reassure if you're in a comfortable seated position with closed eyes. Actually willing your breath to slow down. Actually letting the outside world fade away. And allow yourself to come home to your heart. Now, bring into your awareness the one whom you hold most sacred. Lord, God, divinity, Bhagwan, mentor, goddess, whoever you consider your own deity. The one whose name itself softens your entire being and makes you fearless. The one whose presence feels like love, abundance, like home. See him, her, it in front of you now. Radiant, energy filled, pure, infinite. Someone or some light which is so familiar, so safe, so known. You are in that spot where you worship him. That church, that mosque, that temple, or that room in your home, that cupboard. Gaze at him or her or it. Feel their eyes looking into yours. Feel his or her love. So unconditional. It breaks your wall between him and you, which we only created. Their grace pouring into you. Their compassion melting away all your pain, doubt, and fear. Now, slowly, watch as they walk towards you. The clothes, the attire, the dhoti, the sari, God, goddess, deity. Like mine is Srimad Raj Chandra. So I watch him coming, rising towards me in his leon wrap from waist to knee. Same way. They're getting into you and becoming you. You are becoming him or her. I'm using plural tense, but you use singular because I'm addressing many people. Their heart is your heart. It's one. Their breath is your breath. His power is your power. Her divinity has become your truth. Now it is so effortless to say softly because they are within you all. So say softly, I am divine. I am that. I am that light, that soul, that eternal truth, and that abundance. Be so immersed in the oneness. Let tears come if they must. Let joy come if it must. Yet let nothing happen if it must. No one gave you this meditation. No one gave you this oneness. You gave it to yourself just now. Tears of remembrance, tears of coming home, homecoming, your deity within you, tears of knowing, tears of joy, tears of knowing you're not separate, or smiles of knowing you're not separate. You were never less. You are not a part of the divine. You are divine. I am not a part of him. I am him. Let this truth echo within you. I am divine. I am divinity. I am the soul eternally divine for eternal joy and bliss. And now just sit in silence. Deities sit in silence. You are the deity. Let this knowing hold you. He's got your back. He's within you. Let it change you. When you are ready, bring your palms to your heart. Since you are the deity, make sure everyone on this planet and any other gets your energies through the universe. You're the deity. Say, I'm that. Bow your head to your own sacred self. Touch the feet of your own sacred self. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Stay with this for the rest of the day, knowing that you are him, you are her, you are the Lord. Lords don't make mistakes. We don't need to take his agya for anything. So we won't be doing anything wrong. We are divinity. Today and forever. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.